Most roofing companies are sick and tired of throwing money at marketing that just doesn't work. They've hired marketing agencies, they've bought leads, they've boosted posts, they've sent postcards, and it all feels like a big guessing game. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. The roofing industry has been stuck in the same cycle for years, constantly chasing that next quick fix, and we're here to break that cycle. We hear it every single day from roofing company owners. I can't keep gambling on marketing. It's really holding me back. I'm willing to spend money if I can find something that actually works. We're tired of agencies that don't understand roofing. And we really want to have control over our marketing. We want to own our marketing. We want to stop renting it. And here's the thing, guys. When you're relying on marketing agencies that are keeping you in the dark, it feels like you're throwing money away. And without a consistent pipeline, you can't hire confidently, you can't invest in your team, and growth always feels out of reach. And that might be you. You might feel that you're at that point right now where you've built a really solid company and you're looking to scale, but you just don't know what to do to get there. And yes, there is so much noise out there that marketing feels like guessing and gambling. And that's exactly why we started Contractor Dynamics 12 years ago. We're the only company that focuses exclusively on the roofing industry and on marketing training. As you know, there are thousands of agencies out there that will do your marketing for you. But we're here to help you build a marketing machine that you own. Our mission is simple: to help roofing companies take control of their marketing so that they can create consistent and predictable growth. We offer our 5 Mile Famous marketing training program and a handful of done-for-you services to help you build your marketing system from the inside out. We'll help you hire or develop the right people, build your dashboards, create your meeting rhythm, integrate marketing and sales into one revenue engine, and build a culture of marketing within your company. Creating a system like this takes time. Therefore, we focus on long-term relationships because building a marketing machine like this doesn't happen overnight. Every company we work with follows our 5-pillar framework. 1, clarity, getting clear on your goals, your ideal clients, and closing the gap between where you are now and where you want to be. Number 2, content, creating videos and messages that build trust and attract attention in your market. Number 3, distribution, putting that content in front of the right people consistently, both offline and online. 4, optimization, tracking everything, improving what works and cutting what doesn't. Number 5 is sales, tying it all together with systems that convert and nurture leads over the long term, including technology, automations, and AI. And that is how you turn marketing from chaos into a predictable system that fuels growth. We at Contractor Dynamics have been doing this since 2013, and we have helped over 500 roofing companies go from dependence to control, from chaos to clarity. We help a lot of smaller roofing companies create a marketing plan, create their brand, lay that foundation for growth so they can bust through the ceiling to that next level. We also help those larger companies, those multi-8-figure roofing companies that have built great sales organizations, modernize with marketing machines. What we do really isn't for everyone. Most roofing companies aren't ready to own their marketing, and that's okay. If you're ready to stop guessing, stop outsourcing control, and start building a marketing system that actually drives growth, then let's talk. We'll help you go from marketing chaos to marketing confidence. We're Contractor Dynamics. We help roofing companies grow.